5 differences between American vowels and British vowels. Number 1.
The standard American pronunciation is rhotic. Rhotic means the letter R is always pronounced whenever there is an R in the spelling. The word rhotic comes from the Greek letter rho, as Greek letters are often used for phonetic representation. The standard British English, spoken by Londoners, is non-rhotic. British people pronounce the letter R only when it is the beginning sound in a syllable, as in rice, ramen, and bright. If R occurs after a vowel in a syllable, it is not pronounced. Interestingly, British sometimes use the R sound to connect two vowel sounds, like the idea of it. This use of is called the intrusive R. This use of is viewed as non-standard pronunciation in America.
Number 2.
Standard American English has fewer vowel phoneme sounds than British English. For example, the British back open rounded vowel O does not exist in American English. In Britain, words like hot, stop, cloth are all pronounced with the O sound. In America, they are all pronounced with the ah sound. This phenomenon has been called the father-bother merger, since in British English, father and bother have different vowel sounds, father and bother. But in the U.S., both are pronounced with the ah sound, father and bother.
Number 3.
Pushing the merger further, in standard American English, many words that used to be pronounced with aw are pronounced with ah. That is, in standard American English, the difference between aw and ah is almost non-existent, as the vowel aw is merging with ah. This phenomenon is called the cot-caught merger.
Number 4.
There is also the vowel shift in American English. The most salient one is the shift from ah to ah. In Britain, words like aunt, both, loth, closs, chaunce, osk are all spoken with the ah sound. In America, however, they are all pronounced with the ah sound. For example, aunt, bath, laugh, class, chance, and ask.
Number 5.
In American English, vowel length is viewed as a prosodic feature, not a phonetic feature. That is, the length of a vowel sound is not viewed as an intrinsic feature of vowel phoneme sounds. Rather, how long we should hold the vowel sound is determined by such factors as whether the stress lies on the vowel or not, and whether it is followed by a voiced sound or not. If the vowel is stressed or if it is followed by a voiced sound, the vowel becomes long.